Break ID number 1303. 2017 Rookies and Stars Football 1-box break. Hey, Michael, did you see your 1 of 1 yesterday? So here's the alphabetical list. This was a buy one, get 3 free. That's why they're all grouped up like that. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different people, so we should get some free spots in here. And go. Yeah, I mean, the player wasn't horrible, but the swoosh was tiny. And there you go. Pete S.I. gets a free spot with the Tigers. With the Lions. Oh, my. Exactly. A 1 of 1 that will actually sell well, and $100. I'd even take a 1 of 1 Ryan Tannehill. He bores the crap out of me. Seriously, John? Well, thankfully the 1 of 1 could be anybody. Let's hope for that. Let's say that third is either the charm or the last one you'll ever see. Hold on a second. He might be right up there with Tannehill. Or Mark Sanchez, or Sterling Shepard jersey. To the Giants. Pete S.I. Blake Bortles. Who'd have thought? Amazing job today. Tyreek Hill to 10. That's not bad. 2 of 10. Oh, my word. Christian McCaffrey, jersey auto. Dress for success, 81 of 99. My goodness. To the Panthers. Evan, FR. There you go, Evan. I keep saying this, but I mean these spots are $4 a piece, basically, because they were buy one get 3 free. $4 for a monster? Seriously. Seriously, I need to double the prices. Well, all of his autos are like that. I know. It looks like CM7. I agree. But crazy seller. Andy Dalton to 25. Rich Gannon, Chrome to 99. Jimmy Graham to 49. Look at that patch. 3-color crazy patch and short print. Curtis Samuel, 18 of 25. Also Carolina. Evan, FR. Yeah, I really like these. These have a crazy price point also, and lots of hits. Sometimes I think we get 3 or 4 autos on average in these. Oh, there's a 1-on-1. Someone has $100 right there. Maybe it's autoed. Well, that's not bad either. Tom Brady to 49. Yeah. And the 1-on-1 is autoed. Cordrea Tankersley. One of one magenta printing plate. Auto. 2, Miami, Pete, SI, and $100. If I said this already, a $4 spot. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man. Last pack. There's another one of these up there. Don't forget. Carson Palmer, 3 of 5. Not bad either. Stellar Rookies, Chrome, Deshaun Watson. 41 of 49. Good time to buy his also. All right, that's it for that one. My goodness. On a roll. So